If I told you that your daily habits could be the invisible chains keeping you broke, would you dare to break them? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see the choices that silently hold you back and how you can shatter them today. Hello and welcome to Alpha Profit Grave, where aspiring millionaires come to learn, grow, and act. Have you ever wondered why some people break free from financial struggles, while others remain stuck, living paycheck to paycheck? It's not just luck or talent, it's their choices and mindset. Here's the harsh truth. Mediocrity isn't accidental. It's a byproduct of repeating habits that pull you away from success. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll dive deep into 13 habits that quietly sabotage wealth creation. But beware, some of these truths may hit hard, and that's the point. Oh, and quick question. When was the last time you prioritized your dreams over a late-night binge on Netflix or Instagram Reels? Think about it. 1. Poor people watch a lot of TV. Who was evicted last on Big Boss? If you know, we might already have a problem. Why it matters: excessive TV is a time sink, robbing hours you could use to build your skills, network, or side hustle. While the rich focus on being in front of the camera, building their brand, the poor stay glued to the screen, consuming escapism instead of solutions. Here's a challenge. Take just 1 hour from your daily entertainment time and reinvest it in learning something new. It could change your life. 2. Poor people eat fast food. Think cheap food saves money? It's costing you your health and productivity. Your mind cannot operate at peak performance if your body's running on greasy fries and sugar-loaded sodas. The rich invest in their health because they understand that their energy fuels their success. Picture this: what's more expensive, paying for whole, nutritious food now or paying hospital bills later? But bad eating habits are only the tip of the iceberg. Wait till you hear about this next silent wealth killer. 3. Poor people buy clothes or products that are on sale. Sales are not your shortcut to wealth. Instead of saving money, these impulse buys shout desperation and leave you with items that rarely add real value. The rich? They invest in quality and longevity, not discounts. Ask yourself, are you dressing for survival or success? 4. Poor people wake up later than the rich. The morning hours hold a treasure chest of clarity, energy, and strategy. Research shows that self-made millionaires, from Elon Musk to Jeff Bezos, rise early to get a head start on the day's challenges. Meanwhile, waking up late signals procrastination and missed opportunities. Set your alarm earlier tomorrow. You'll see how powerful mornings can be. Unless, of course, you're dreaming of your rich future. Then, by all means, keep snoozing. 5. Poor people are obsessed with sports. Let's be clear. Unless you're playing professionally or running a team's finances, sports fandom is another form of escapism. Watching hours of games where you have zero impact on the outcome fosters a spectator mindset in life. Winners? They get in the game and make their own rules. 6. Poor people neglect personal hygiene. This may sound trivial, but appearances matter. Poor personal hygiene not only limits professional growth but also impacts your relationships. Success requires confidence, and confidence starts with self-care. Trust me, it's hard to close deals or win partnerships if people are put off by your appearance. 7. Poor people blame others for their misfortunes. Nothing is more damaging than a victim mindset. While the poor blame external forces, their job, the economy, or the government, the wealthy analyze problems and adapt. Remember, life happens for you, not to you. Ask, what's within my control, and how can I change it? This next habit could be the biggest game changer of all. 8. Poor people don't save money. Emergencies happen. Opportunities arise. Without savings, you're stuck, vulnerable to crises and unable to capitalize on golden chances. The rich build a cushion, knowing it's their springboard for wealth. Start with this rule: save at least 10% of every income you earn. 9. Poor people use credit for useless things. Here's the golden rule: debt should be a tool to build wealth, not drain it. Financing vacations, luxury gadgets, or branded clothes keeps you on a treadmill of payments with no progress. Rich people borrow only to multiply, investing in real estate, businesses, or skills. 10. Poor people have more kids, earlier in life. This isn't about parenting, it's about planning. Kids are a blessing, but raising them prematurely, without financial stability, creates massive struggles. The wealthy focus on creating an environment where their children can thrive, not merely survive. 11. Poor people neglect health checkups. We've seen it before. Skipping routine health checks leads to devastating problems, from expensive hospital bills to irreversible conditions. Early detection saves lives and money. Make that appointment, your future self will thank you. 12. Poor people spend money before they get it. This one's deadly. The second you spend money that hasn't hit your account yet, you surrender control of your finances. The rich earn before they spend. Discipline here sets the tone for everything. 13. Poor people surround themselves with other poor people. You are the sum of the 5 people closest to you. Look around your circle. Are they pushing you to improve or pulling you into complacency? Rich people seek peers and mentors who challenge them. Your environment matters more than you think. So, where do we go from here? These 13 habits aren't just habits. They're the invisible fences boxing you into mediocrity. It's time to dismantle them, one by one. Choose growth. Choose discomfort over stagnation. Choose the life you deserve. And if you're serious about rewiring your financial mindset, my next video is for you. It's a complete summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, where I'll break down the principles that separate financial freedom from a life of financial struggles. Click the link on your screen, and I'll see you there.